Green versus blue. He is the puppet master. He loves stealing from a Sagi. It doesn't matter where he is on the field. He's coming for him. He is predictable. He's just gonna go after you. It's happening again. He is expanding.
Because you're everywhere to me. In an annoying way, I don't like you at all.
They're leaving you behind. Are they trying to break his leg? Delicious sliding? Indecision. He needs a haircut. I am good at giving haircuts. Look at this amazingness. Explanations brought to you by Asagi Yuichi.
Breakthrough!
That's the only option. It can't be good for his health to be that jumpy.
Stick bug.
Daddy Longlegs. Way to kick a man when he's down. Don't let the sun get down on me. Though I search myself, there's always someone else I see. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. I don't know. Hoya! With the hit. Flapping in the breeze.
The lizard man.
Spinning like a ninja. What is this, like the voice from beyond? This is your conscience speaking. The bull's not going to go the way you want it to. I'm an heir. Can't stop that one. This ain't a democracy.
He's totally bowing to him right now. I don't think he means to, but he is.
Fly, puzzle pieces.
Play!
They don't know good sportsmanship. Is there anyone that doesn't want to destroy him? He's got skills. Everybody effing hates me. Yeah. Bit overly dramatic. You think the losers get taken out the back and he's already regretting picking him. He's like, ugh, this dude.
He's always listening, he's always watching, he's always there. He's everywhere, nowhere at once. He's the Cheshire Cat. He's obsessed with diamonds in the rough. Lock off.
Tiny brain. So you should have seen it coming? Why does it say muck? And the bird poop bullseye. That's where everyone wants to be. It's not that deep, man. Chill. Falling apart again. What is he sitting on?
Whoa, he said diamonds.
But not in the rough. He hates you. Wah. So he's no longer ooh, 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 ooh. Why is he yellow and he's green? He doesn't even have green eyes. They're blue. These are the hard questions that we're never gonna get answers to. Were they even trying though? They just look like they're watching you. The Wicked Witch pose. Aww, they miss him. We miss you, but we're pissed at you. Dist. Kazum. Male. What? Okay. We're all nice then.
I don't discourage you! His legs were what?
The trash talking was also on another level.
As a test for your memory, can you remember any of these people and can you name them?
Toki Toki Toking?
Oh my god, they're giving us the answers. Okay, I know them. I don't know them.
Ah. With friends like these, you don't need enemies. Okay, no, I don't remember any of them.
Yeah.
Who are these people? Nico? And
No, I don't know anyone else.
is everyone's main motivation just Asagi? The main character of everyone's story. Oh, Crocodile Dundee. Those crocodiles are really creeping me out. Real? Oh, there's only one more left. Oh, I can't count. No, I don't know who he is. Like he had a choice in the matter. What's up with this guy's postures? Like, oh, look at his eyelashes. Ah! Aw, he protected him. Why are they still on the floor? They're just chilling. Who knows? There's just one more guy left, and he's allergic to shirts. Don't it make my blue eyes green? Love that we get to relive that moment. Do we ever get to see that miserable dude again? Or he's just gone?
His former BFF.